Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Shibun ki kilayat lat bat bakla bat kesenjam ke babut kalong bahap banya keren bat bishar banya ahlor ki benta ki baduna bat ki babakla bat ru ki balak bat penkela yu rukam bat kejing temu jong keseng ya kini ubak Kharkrang ulah keren habai kendu bat kilat pathai kubor hadin ke result jong ke election chiteng samoy ha Gambe Grey constituency ha ke bala sakhi bau kertong jong ke BJP u Bernard Marak ulah poi ke kerdan ke basau na Pdiang ki hendrengut ki kertong Uniu no aktin jong ke BJP ulah ong man badan ki election kadon bet ka buit trekam ban pharia ha ke dei bat kanyam ke rukom baru ong bakum ke seng kala persang bante lakam yikini ki baro Henry las ngotho pan badang don shibun ki badai ban le ubak Kharkrang ulah ong ru bakal dei ka por ban syong de jengelang ringkat bat kinong elam ki bala khamslem ha ka kam bat ban pej benia ah ke bedei bat ki mat ki penlong ni kaseng BJP bakan sadin bat ban penbet ki jingduna hashwa ke election ke ban wan uba Kharkrang uloong bat don kam ban pendep ya shibun ba ki kam habaya keren bat ki breu bat bun ru ki ba Pdiang ni ke BJP Namar ba ki tim lada ka sarkar BJP ka don ka roy ka Kiew ka don bat uloong ba ki ba kum kini ki jingjia Basha penthame lingba kin yam kurukom kim de shu gibrang shu jia mentamene Henry kidi ki jingjia ki bala jia laslem but kum ki noyelam jong ke seng ki don kamban treshitom na ka bintang ke election kaban wan.
What went wrong? I think so. A lot of things had gone wrong, and now the next step is we will sit down, introspect, and find out what went wrong, and probably we might have to change our strategy, how we we campaign here in Meghalaya, because many a times this every time the elections are there, there's a play of the religious card, and now we have to counter that. And we had tried in the 2023 elections, but I think so there's a lot more for us to do. So I think so the next step for us now is all the senior leaders of the state party will sit down, be honest and look into what are the drawbacks, and then we have to take corrective actions before the next elections.
Do you think that people are yet to accept the party?
Looking at by the way the numbers that we got, yes. So that's why there's a lot of work for us to do. You see, everyone. You speak to anyone, they will all agree that if BJP government is there, development will come. Development will be there because they have compared the way our state is developing with the other states. But when it comes at the back end of just before the election day or before the casting of the vote, then the religious card come to the picture. So this has been happening for a long time, and I think so now for the next election we have to really work out how to counter this.